good feeling. Yeah.
Yo, this is the place. It's, you see your breath. Blow smoke ring.
Can't.
He said he can do it. I can, yeah, if it's not windy. If it's not windy! Too many wind in here.
Really into an O shape, and then you kind of like
lips.
cough in the back of your throat. Exactly, blowjob lips.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Sing it, Amy. Sing it.
Oh jeez, beautiful. You nailed it. Soothing. 1 octave higher. Yeah. Oh, that's it. I can't wait to go to bed tonight. Sing it to sleep.
It's so good being bad. There's no way I'm turning back.
So, what do you like?
Love is great, love is fine. Out the box, out of line. The affliction of the feeling leaves me wanting more.
I love girly drinks. Like, why are you videotaping me still?
Everyone has to say their
Asian accent. Amy.
23 degrees outside right now.
You want flower pass
No, Karen's roommate is completely different.
Okay, do yours.
Or we just go on over to you and do the unicorn thing.
I don't have it. Let's just talk. Let's just talk. And then,
Oh, camera shy, eh?
what if Helen Keller was Asian?
You tried that already. It's very hard. You come tomorrow. I come down.
What did you say?
Family Friday. Unicorn. We thought unicorn was so extinct. But they are in Banff. Find them right here.
Cause I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good at it. Sex in the air, I don't care, I love the smell of it. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but chains and whips excite me.
Down, man. Uncle Ben. You choose a widescreen.
Talking accent.
Amy, you have to do the consequences now.
It's more fun.
What is going on?
My Canary Island accent. This is what they speak in Spain.
Oh, can't I love
But we will not go there now.
Right?
Let's do impressions of each other. Hello. Come on.
Hey.
You should have had the camera on you for that. Do Kate again.
Hello.
Kate, Denver, do an impression of Jared.
What did I do?
Anything.
I don't have a fat suit here, so. Oh, sorry. Back in the day. I don't know. It's a great guy. I did my impression of you, but I forgot my douchebag suit.
Fight.
Britas, bacalao, salsa.
Salsa jam.
Dice, ta, ta.
Ooh.
Ta. Que toma, que toma, que toma, que down. Down.
Question time.
Alright, answer time.
Denver, describe your first kiss.
Ooh, it's in a park. It's pretty nervous, but I
No.
got the job done.
Go in depth.
Okay, well, he had
What's-
blonde hair.
I realize my love for you was strong, and I miss you here, now you're gone. I'll be waiting here by
Hey, Boxhead.
pictures hanging on.
I broke it.
Fuck you! I sleep in Rachel, describe your first kiss.
She was Asian.
No, first makeout.
It was really bad. Because I didn't know what I was doing. So
I showed you a picture of mine.
yeah.
He's a big fat guy.
Strong and fat dudes, they know how to love. We got a nice couple making out over there.
We have a question for you.
What do you think about grandma rape?
About what?
About what?
Depends on the situation.
Grandma
Am I on
rape?
vacation or am I at school?
Grandma rape? Grandma rape? like raping grandmas.
Raping grandmas?
You want to word it that way?
In that.
Want to make it as thick as it sounds, yeah. Why are you making it sound so gross? Oh, they stopped. For my associate, I found out they stopped making out. Maybe they'll go back at it. I'm just gonna keep you posted. Kill the video, kill it. Children play.
Sometimes I try to be the best, but I can't